Shalom Lachem. By the end of this video, you will know how to say good morning, good evening, and good night. 3 simple and practical greetings you can start using today. I will teach you the correct pronunciation, I will show you the transliteration, and the words written in Hebrew with nikud on every letter. Good morning. The first word in the Hebrew phrase is morning, and the word for morning is boker. Boker is a common and useful word. The adjective good. In Hebrew, we say tov. Also a common word. I recommend you to memorize it. Tov is the singular masculine form of the word good. The noun boker in Hebrew is of masculine gender, so the adjective has to change so it reflects the gender of the noun correctly. Together, we have boker tov. Let's say it again. Try to focus on the stress and the correct pronunciation. Boker tov. Listen to the sound of the words. Boker tov. Say it with me, out loud. That is the best way to learn how to say it. Boker tov. The greeting is common, and there is no need to consider gender. It is great for greeting a group of people or a single person. Use it to greet someone you already know or someone you have just met. Next we have the greeting good evening. The first word in the Hebrew phrase is evening. In Hebrew we say erev. If you find it difficult to pronounce the consonant ayin, you can say it like you'd pronounce the consonant aleph. Erev instead of erev. My advice to you is don't overthink accents and consonant pronunciation. Just go with the flow. Now, the word good is exactly the same as in boker tov. So for the phrase good evening, we have erev tov. Erev tov. Say it with me and focus on the sound. Erev tov. Erev tov. This greeting is similar to boker tov in terms of when and where we use it, the gender, number of people, and so on. Very practical and easy to use, you must admit. The last greeting for today is good night. The first word is night, and in Hebrew we say laila. Like in the previous phrases, the second word is also tov. Laila tov. Say it with me and focus on what you say. Laila tov. Laila tov. All the greetings we discussed today are common and useful. You can use them whenever you need to start a conversation, casual or formal. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about this, write them in the comments below. If you like this lesson and would like to see more like it, please subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.